Hello everyone, this is KingKong.lt. In this video, I will tell you how to make your own Android phone application. Because we have made many videos about Node-RED to create the website on your own cloud server. Just like this, this website work on the mobile phone, also can run it on the PC computer. Because you can see this is a web page open in the mobile phone web browser. I just have a navigate and the title. So at this time, I will tell you make this APK file like this Android phone. It will without the button, the navigate. This time we will use this icon to open the web application. You can see the web page is encoded, is embed of the APK file. So at this time, you not need to import the IP address and the web address. Just use directly. In these days, I have tried many ways to make the APK file. There are some toys on the internet I have tested. Some need money and some are free, but have many advertisements. So it's not very well. So at last, I write the code, and I will show the code of the Android Studio. So you can make the APK file for you without any advertisement. So you can always change it by yourself. Don't worry, this is not difficult because I have made the toy and make the document very detailed step by step. You just copy paste my code. You can generate the APK file by yourselves. So let's begin how to do with it. Okay, let's look at the screen. This is Node-RED. We have created the website. You can use any your project website, not only made by the Node-RED, just any website. So we will at last embed this URL, this website, to our Android Studio. Generate the APK file. So firstly, you need to install the Android Studio. This is development tool for Android. You can search on the Google and download. This file is very big and it takes many times. So you can firstly see some video toys on the Google how to install and how to download this Android Studio. Then you can find we have made the document and the toy on this development, and this is how to make Android application from website by Android Studio. This is a PDF file, and this is a Java file. You just can open this PDF file just like this. We have already opened it. We just step by step do as this. Will be create a new project of your Android APK file. So let's begin. In Windows Start menu, we open the Android Studio, just this. Just you can follow me, and we can step by step tell you how to make it. Okay, this is the first time you can see. This is Android Studio. You can create a new project. This is I have already created. So you just your first time you choose this create new project. And this is choose empty activity. Just press next. And this is your application name. We can like input kc/smart. And this is the package name. The package name you can also choose by yourself. Every one application will have one package name. Just like your ID card, this is the ID. And this is where to save. We can choose. I have created the folder. I have created the folder on the disk C. Just this now is empty. So I can choose this path. And the language is Java. And this is not to change, just as before. Okay, we press finish. Now we can change our screen. This screen is our PDF file. We just learn from this. We need to copy code. And this is from our Android Studio. Now it's loading. It will take us a few seconds because it's very build when it starts up. It also, you can see, running, not finished. So we can see this PDF file. This we have done. This we have done. And the name and the package name we have already done. Now we are waiting. It's very slow. We need waiting. Just wait this message. Now it's running. This is showed loading, so it's not complete. We are waiting. Okay, now you can see there is a train or is expand just like this. So we can begin to work. So we just do this, add network access. Just open this file. This file is this file. We double click, add this file. And before the application, we insert this code, we just copy. And we can large size. Before application, just as this, we can press this code. Okay, we go on and click RES forward. Just this. Click and right button to new direction, and the name we can XML copy and XML and create this folder. And also we go on and we can create a new file, this file name. Create new file. This is name, network security config XML, enter. Okay. Then we go on and modify this file we have created. Input this code, also copy. This double click, modify this XML file, and paste. Okay, paste, and just like this, and go on, and open this Android manifest again, and between the application, you can add this code. Copy and paste like this, just like this. Go on. Now we need to add web view. Open active main.xml. The file is at this way. Double click, and when you're in this window, you can check the code. Because this is design mode, we can check the code, and you can see this code, and modify this as follows. We just copy, and change the whole. Select all, delete. We can paste just the overview. Large your size, and this is not need use 2 lines, just use 1 line. Okay, we go on. Use web view load web page. On the main activity, just at this, double click. And we need to define your URL. Just this string. Copy. Before the overwrite, at this way. This is important. Paste. This URL is the website. Just this one. If you want to choose any other website, just replace it with yourself. So it's important. Okay, we go on. Configure web view. These 3 sections we need to add. The code I have created. You can see this is dot dot dot. We just use the mouse click. It will be expanded. So we need to make sure this sentence copy, and we can paste. This is section 1, and this is section 2. We can large size. This section 2. After the string, you can add the private web view. Just this, and copy. At this, we paste. Okay, we add the web view. This is 2, and this is 3. After this command, we need to paste this sentence. Just this, copy, and paste. Okay, we have copied. Also, this is copied. We have copied at this. Okay, now we can add the return button and the click event. Open main activity and add this code. Just behind the web view. Behind the web view, in this way, we copy this code. Overwrite like this code we can copy, and at this way we paste. So this is like this section, and we go on. Now you can ready to build the APK file. Build the APK file. Just this is the build. We can save our file. Save all, and we're ready to build. This build APK files. Just press. Okay, you can see the building is running, it will take more time. Just wait our good result about 1 minute. Okay, you can see this message. The APK has generated successfully. You can press the locate. Just press. Now you can open this file. At this way, it have create the app.debug.apk. This is the APK file we need to test install on your mobile phone. This is the APK file we have sent to your mobile phone. You can use your own software to send. Now we will install this file kc/smart we have created, and we can install. Okay, now we can open, delete the package file. Okay, you can see the website we can use, and we can close. Now we have created the KC Smart at this way. Now we have tested the APK file is no problem. It's work well. I will tell you how to change the icon. We can see this PDF file, how to change the icon. This we have already done. And you can also change your app name, just as this string. If you want to change your application name, you just go to this. This is application name. You can change it by yourself in any words. Okay, we go on, see how to change the icon. We can use show in Explore. And you can see many photos, just like this. This all is the Android phone icon. You can replace just like this is square, and this is circle. This is circle size, and this is square. Why have these different photos? All is the same, just different size. These different photos are different size. You can see I have write it this way. This is different size. You can also prepare for many icons for different size, like this, and it's different. This size is installed. You can save the icon in this photo, and this size in this photo, and this size in this photo. So you can save and prepare different size of icon in these photos. But if you have not ready for so many different types, no problem. You just save your icon to this photo or this photo will be okay. So we can, for experiment, we can delete all this. Delete. Not need the default icon. Delete. And this is also delete. Delete. Okay, at last one, we can delete this, and I have prepared icon just 192 size. We can use this size. So I copy this, paste, and change the name. Copy this file, I delete, and this file name I paste. Use this one. Okay. Now the icon is changed, so we just need to rebuild. Before we have created this build, that is for debug. That is means debug. If you want to generate the release version, you should choose this one, generate blank APK. This is for Google Store. You can upload it to Google Store. So at last we can choose this way. I tell you how to generate the release version of the APK file. we choose APK and then next. Okay, this is the key store. Every application will have a key. If other people know this key, he can't change your mobile phone application. So the first time we can create a new key. The key store path we can save to our application and choose a name. The key's name, KC Smart. The password 123456. 123456. This is set by yourself. And also 123456. 123456. And the valued the year the key will be used for 25 years, just according to you. And the first name and the last name, this just according to you. You can import. We just OK. Okay, the key is created, and now we can press next. And we choose the release version, and make sure check this option, V1 and V2, all is checked and finished. Then you can see also is building running. We are waiting. This needs a few seconds, and we'll generate the APK file for the release version. This is the final one. Okay, the information they are generated successfully. Also, we can press the locate. Okay, you can see the release photo. This is the release version of the APK file. You can see the size is smaller than debug one. This is debug mode. This is the size and this size. The release size will be smaller. So now you can use this file, use this APK file to install on your mobile phone. Okay, now I can tell you how to upload to your server and make the QR code for your mobile phone to download. I have downloaded the APK file to our server on this folder. So this is the URL for download. I can copy this URL. At this time, I will make a QR code. We can use the Google search the QR code generate. Any website can use. We just choose that one. Then you can import, paste the APK file website. And this is the QR code have generated. You can also save the file to your computer. We can test now. I scan the QR code. Now is auto direction to this URL. And now shows the download. This is the APK file I have uploaded. We press OK. It began download. Okay, you can see now this is the new icon for the APK file. We can open it. This is the title, app name, KC Smart. You can change. And this is the page. So you can use now. Okay, this is APK is for you, your own private APK. Okay, now you have own private APK file for the Android application. You can upload to Google Store, and also you can use these videos to convert any website, any web page to your APK file for Android application. Thanks for watching.